Magandang araw po muli at tayo magpapatuloy sa ating pag-aaral sa ating lesson. At ako pong muli ang inyong guro si Teacher Yul. Ngayon po ay nasa week 6 na tayo at ang ating topic ay about sa equation of the line. Bago tayo tumuloy sa ating lesson ay magkaroon muna tayo ng review sa ating lesson na nakaraan. So, the question is change the given equation into slope-intercept form. And the formula of this topic is y equals mx plus b. So, yun po ating susundan ng formula. Then, determine the slope and y-intercept. So, ang gagawin natin dito ay change natin sa y equals mx plus b. Okay, so y equals, so it is negative, so change to positive, so y3x plus 2. Okay, so alam niyo na kung paano, bakit naging yan, change positives, kasi lipat at pwede rin kayong gumamit ng addition property of equality. So, by using the additive inverse. So, opposite ng negative 3x, that is positive 3x. Okay, so, both side. Lalagyan niyo po, both side. So, ayun, ito yung maging kalabasan na y equals mx plus b. At, ito yung slope natin, yung m equals 3. And your y-intercept equals, okay, so, ibig sabihin nun, dadaanan yung 2. Okay, so, sa y-axis. Okay, at kapag tinuloy natin yan, to find the points para may i-graph natin, we will use the solution by setting the value of x equal to 0 and y equals to 0. Okay, so paano ba ginagawa yan? So the first one, the value of x equals to 0, substitute by 0. So 2 na lang, that's why 2. Yan. Okay, so to write the order pair, that is 0, 2. Okay, and to find the value of x, so we have we are going to substitute the value of y to 0. Okay, so y equals 3x plus 2. Substitute the value of y to 0. So y equals 3x plus 2. So transpose, lipat natin. Si 2 na lang, si 2 ang lipat natin. So we have, or you can use the IPA. So change the sign of 2 becomes negative, equals 3x. So since may value yung x, so we are going to simplify that. Okay. So to do that, we need to divide by 1/3. So this is the proper way, proper way. But if you want to make it faster, so baba mo na lang yan, okay? Baba mo na lang. Dapat gitna equals yan, sorry. Dapat gitna na. Okay, so baba mo na lang, negative yan. So equals x. So ayan, so our value of x equals 2, negative 2/3. So yun po. So now, to write the ordered pair of x equals, okay, so we have negative 2/3 and 0. So that is the point of the other point. So we have the first point and then the other point. So you are going to graph now. para malaman natin yung line. Okay. So, 0, 2. Okay, so, dito yun, no? Then, 2/3. So, 1, 2. What will be the equivalent to decimal? 2/3. So, that is 0.6. So, dito yun. Something like this. Okay. So, yun. That will be the line now. So, yun po ang mabuong line by using the number 1 example. So, the rest, ayan. So, yun din naman ang gagawin nyo. No? So, yun po naging topic natin last time. Review lang po yan. Okay. Let us now proceed in our topic about the equation of the line. So, lahat ng ito ay nagamit na natin different formula. So, mahalaga ay makabisado natin ito, no? Kasi kahit anong gawin sa mga examples ay magamit natin. Okay? So, lalo in our topic today, about the slope-intercept, points, slope-intercept, point-slope, the intercept form, and the two-point form. So, yung apat na yan. At the same time, yung slope natin ay lagi natin gagamitin yan. So, huwag kakalimutan. At yung ating standard form and general form na. General form and standard form. Okay. So, ayun. We are now going to start our lesson and applying the equation of the line. And the first formula is the slope-intercept. So, ginamit natin ito kanina. So, the question is, or the problem that we are going to solve is, we are going to find the point, or we are going to plot the points on the graph. Okay, so we have the equation y minus 2x plus 4. So, about that, the formula is telling us about the slope and the y-intercept. Okay, so that's why we call this formula is the slope-intercept. The slope, and the y-intercept. Okay, so to simplify this, para makuha natin yung value, yung mga point. Okay, so ayun, yung ginawa natin kanina sa y-mx plus b. Okay, so the y-intercept, automatic na yan ay yung b. So ibig sabihin dun sa dadaan, that is 4. So that is 0, 4. Okay, so that is 0, 4. Automatic na yan. But if you want to recall or remember the steps how to get 0, 4, okay, so ginawa natin kanina, setting the value of x to 0 and then y to 0. So substituting the value of x and y. So since x equal to 0, so change to 0. So maging 0, that's why 4 na lang. Y equals 4. So that's the value. Means that x minus 0 and your y equals 4. And then how to get the value of x? By setting the y to 0. So that is 0. Okay. So we have now your y is 0. Okay. So y minus 0. Okay. The problem is the value of x. Okay. So do that. We have 0 equals negative 2x plus 4. Okay, so transpose the value of x to make it positive. Okay, always positive yung hinahanap natin yung value, no? Yung ating variable. Okay, so to do that, so lilipat natin yung 2x, you can use the AP. So 2x na lang siya, change the sign, equals, lilipat natin, lipat. So, maging positive na siya, then 4. So, since may value siya, we're going to simplify that. Okay, how to do simplify that? By dividing by 1 over 2. Or, simply, yung turo ko sa inyo, baba mo na lang yung 2 agad. Or, sulat mo na agad. Okay? Baba mo na lang. Okay? So, ayan. Baba mo na siya. So, 4/2. And then the lowest term, or lowest form is 2. Okay? So, that's the value of x. That is 2 and 0. So, we have 2 points now. Then, we can connect the 2 points to make a straight line. So, yun po ang pinapalam sa atin by using the application of slope-intercept form. Only the given is the slope and the y-intercept. But anyway, it is the equation of the line. No? Equation of the line yan. Okay, so, ang ginagawa natin, pinoprove natin. Okay, so the slope by checking of that 0, 4 and 0, 4 and 2, 0. So, find the slope. Okay, exactly. What is the slope? So, tandaan po, ang slope po ay the value of the slope is katabi po yung x. Variable x. Okay? So, we have the next example about y application para ng slope intercept. So, y equals mx over 2 x minus 2. So, ganun pa rin gagawin nyo. Setting the value para ma-plot natin sa graph. Setting the value of x and y to 0. Okay. Y to 0. So, alam na agad yung intercept, that is negative 2. That's why negative 2. And that is 0 and negative 2. And then the next value for the value of x. So, we have now 0. Setting the value of y to 0. So, ang kulang mo na lang po ay kulang mo na lang po ay yung x. So, how to do that? Since na to 5x, then 0 to. Okay. 0 yan. Okay, so, you are going to simplify that. So, mayroon siyang 2. So, then negative 2. Lipat natin yung negative 2 dito na. So, maging 2 na siya. Equals 5 over 2 x. Okay. 5 over 2x. Okay, so to simplify that, we are going to multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. So, we have now para mawala yun, di ba? Para mawala. So, 5, that is 2 positive. So, maging 4 na siya. Then, equals okay. So, 5x then minus 2 maging ano lang siya. 2 times 5 maging 10, 4 maging 10x over 2. 5x pa rin siya. 5x. Okay. So, 5x. Okay, and then our value is 4/5. So, okay. 4/5. So, that is 4/5. So, ayan. So, 40.8. Ayan. Dito pa sa dadaan. Okay. So, ayan ang pag-simplify. So, to write the standard form, 5x plus 2y equals negative 4. Okay. So, ayun na kasi siya. No? So, how to write that? Alam na natin kung paano isulat ang standard form by ayun. Kailangan natin ito multiply ng 2. So, ayun na nga. Kanina yung sinabi ko. Sige na. So, sorry. Yx. Okay. So, y equals 5/2 para simplify minus 2. So, para ano yan, wala yung fraction natin. Simplify, you are going to multiply by 2. So, yun. So, we have 2y. And we have maging 10 over 2. That's 5. X. Then, ito naman ay maging 4. So, ito na yun. Yan. To simplify and to write the standard form. Okay? So, yun naman mga slope. Kung nakuha na yung points na yun, then if you want to check the slope, okay. So, tama naman po ating ginawa dyan. Okay. So, ito po ang example. Okay. Pwede niyo pong gawin to, no? Para may apply yung ating naaral. Apply the slope intercept. Okay. So, the next one is we have that 2-point form. Ginawa na po natin to. Although yung kanina din, tapos na natin talakayin yun, ha? So, ngayon kasi ay in our lesson, we are going to write the equation of the line. So, specific na po tayo. So, although lahat na po ito ay na-aral na natin. Okay? If the graph of linear, okay, so, ito pa yung formula ng 2-point form. Okay, so, ang ibig sabihin dito, given po yung 2 points, and then follow the formula. Substitute the value of y sub 1, then x sub 1. Okay, so, bahala kayo. Alin dyan ang gagamitin niya na 0.1 o 0.2. So, lahat ng ito na talakayin natin. Ano pa? So, sundan nyo lang po yung mga value, no? Okay, so yung formula. Okay, so parang ito pagkatapos mo makuha yung slope natin ay maging point slope. Yun. Yung isang slope tapos point, no? Slope point slope form rather. Point slope form. Okay, so yun. So, madali na makita yan, no? Kung paano simplify. Okay, so then, after that, write the y equals mx plus b. Ito na yun ang kalabasan niya. Katapos yung magbuha yan. So, napaka-helpful yung formula ito kasi madali itong makita kung anong value ni y. That is the intercept. And then the slope is -2 katabi ng x. So, madali natin makita din. Setting the value of x to 0 again. Then y to 0. So, then you will get the equation of the line. Equation of the line. So, yung hinanap dito, you are going to write the equation of the line at the same time, you are going to plot the points here on the graph. Okay? So, that is the equation. And then, yung mga points niyan, yung dalawang points which are 2 and 0 and 0, 4. Okay? So, the main purpose of doing this on knowing the formula is to write the equation of the line. Okay? So, we have an example here. Kapareho ng example ng kanina, 2, 3, and 0, 2. So, i-apply lang natin kung pareho din ang kanyang kalabasan. Okay? So, ayan. So, yung nakuha natin kanina dun sa slope intercept form, ay pareho din yung ating equation. Okay? At the same time, yung mga points. So, mamatch lang po kung paano nangyari. Para-pareho lang naman. So, yan po ay mga examples natin ginagamit para lalaki yung pasundan ng ating lesson. Okay, and then, you can try this, no, para ma-apply. Okay. So, yan. Para ma-apply nyo ating plot. Okay, so the next topic about the intercept form. Okay, so, tatandaan nyo po pag pinag-usapan ng intercept form, it refers to x and y. Yan. So, kapag x po ang hinahanap mo, o intercept lang ay x, 0 yung y. And then, pag y-intercept, 0 yung x, then y is present. So, the formula is x over a and y over y. X over a plus y over b equals to 1. So, yun po susundan nyo. Kapag yung nakita nyo yung example ay 0, 0. So, yun po ang tandaan. Okay? So, to do that, susundin nyo lang po. Substitute the value of x and y. So, addition equals to 1. So, para matanggal yung you're going to multiply by 4 para mawala ito. Okay, you can use the LCD, addition fraction. Addition fractions, okay, get the LCD. So, now, ginamit ko pa yung multiplication of 4. So, I'm going to multiply that by 4. So, 4 times 1 equals 4. And then, 4 times x equals 4x, and then 4 times y equals 4y, then copy the numerator. So after that, simplify. So 4 over 2 equals 2, and then 4 over 4 equals 1 equals 4. So ito na po yan. 2x plus y equals 4. And then write the y equals mx plus b. So, ayun. So, lahat ng yan ay para ng ating mga examples dun sa una. So, ayan. And then, write the line. Or draw the line on the graph. And then, the equation of the line. Okay. So, yun po ang ating hinanap. Equation of the equation is 1 equals minus 2x plus 4 by using the y equals mx plus b. Or you can write the standard and then the general form. Okay. Mahalaga po kabisado niyo po mga formula. Okay. So, we have another example here for N0 and 02. So, binaliktad natin this time, no? Binaliktad. So, now, substituting the value of x and y. So, ayan, nagkapalitan na po sila. But equals to 4 pa rin yung ating y-intercept. So, automatic po yun. Okay, so, x plus 2y na po equals 4. Then, the y-intercept equals 4, but the value of y equals 2. Eh, ito siyang kasama. That's why y equals 4 over 2. That equals 2, 2. And this time, x equals 4. Okay, that's positive. Kaya na po ay, kaya na po ay positive, ngayon po ay negative na because if you are going to write the equation of the y equals mx plus b, your x is equal to negative now. So, yun po ang susundan nyo. Okay? At the same time, pare-pareho na po yan. So, ito, example po for this. Okay? You can try para malaman niyo po na kayo po ay nakakasunod na po at natututo po sa ating lesson about equation of the line. O writing the equation of the line. No? You're going to write the equation. Dapat alam niyo po yung kabisado. And the other one, we have the point slope. So, the point slope, ibig sabihin po, ay isang slope tapos some point. So, lahat ng ito po ay atin na araw na kasama na po yan sa week 6. Sa week 5. Naturo ko na po na ito. But this time, week 6 po ay naka-specific na po sa by equation of the line or writing the equation of the line. So, now, you have the slope given and 1 point. So, negative 2 and 2, 0 ang ating given. So, by following the formula, y minus y sub 1 equals the slope and then x minus x sub 1. So, we have the point 1 at some point. So, substituting the value of y and x or x and y. Okay. So, your y equals 0 and equals to our slope, you have negative 2 and x equals 2 minus. Follow the formula. So, after that, you will get the y equals mx plus b. That will be our slope intercept form. So, balik doon ulit. So, ito naman ang pinakamagandang formula na ginagamit natin para madali natin may plot o malaman yung equation ng line. Okay? So, the y-intercept equals 4. Tama yun. And then, your x is equal to 2. That is 2. At this time, that is negative. Okay? So, negative po yung x. Okay? And then, ito, magkapareho na po lahat yan. Okay? So, lahat ng examples po ay para madali po natin ma-compare o matingnan natin yung kanyang resulta. So, the same po ang result natin lahat. Okay. So, for example, another example, no? We're using the 5 over 2 the slope and then the point which is 2 and 3. Okay, so substituting the value of x and y sub 1, x sub 1, then writing the slope, which is 5 over 2, and then quantity of x minus 2. Okay, simplify that. So, then, since ito ay fraction, kailangan nyo muna yan ay simplify. So, how to do that? By multiplying 2 both sides. So, para matanggal yung 2 niya. So, it becomes 2y equals 5x because 10 over 2 equals 5 na simplify. Then, negative 2 times 2, that's 4. Okay? So, yan lang po kadali ang ating paggamit ng mga formula sa slope. All about slope and writing the equation. Now, this is the equation na nakuha natin doon kanina. Then, this is the line. Okay? By setting on knowing the points. So, how to get the points? May 2 enter na tayo. No? The other problem is yung isang point na lang. Or you can use the slope, rise and run. From that, 2 and 3. No? So, you get that 2 and 3. Okay, so what will be the other point, rise and run. Ano lang. Okay, so yun po. The same naman po lahat ito. Dun sa ating mga sample kanina. Okay, so basta sundan niyo po yung pag-simplify din the equation and the formula. Okay, so you can try this to find the equation, how to write the equation of the line, then you can get how to write the equation on the graph. Okay. So, ayun. Tapos po sa ating lesson about the equation of the line. Okay. So, thank you so much. Again, magkita muli tayo sa ating next lesson. Okay. God bless you all.